So welcome back again. So today we're gonna solve a 7Q, quite simple. It's gonna be a little difficult than 8Q. Let's go. Negative connotation. You will be given a string with sets of characters. It's a word separated by between 1 and 3 spaces inclusive. Kinda makes sense, but it's kinda more challenging. Looking at the first letter of each word, okay, sensitive, okay, that means we have to be aware of that as well. So a capital A and A should be treated the same. You need to determine whether it falls into the positive or first half of the alphabet or the negative second half. Okay, we have to codify this thing as well. Return true if there are more positive words than negative words, otherwise false. Kinda makes sense, hope you understand as well. So basically, we can have a bunch of words in a string type and we have to split them. In the spaces, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 spaces. It depends on the test cases. And after that, we have to check the first letter of each word, if it's in the first half or the second half. If it's in the first half, it's gonna be in the positive type, and else it's gonna be in the negative. But if the positive word it's more than, we're gonna return true, and that's it. Quite simple. Let's do that. So first thing first, I'm not gonna type it manually to bring the first half of the alphabet or the second half of the alphabet. I'm gonna use the built-in module here. It's called string, and I'm gonna call letters here. It's gonna be string.scii. I do believe scii.lower. So the test is first. I'm not sure how if we type it correctly, and it is indeed wrong. So let's search that string.scii. It is spelled right. Sci.lowercase. My spell's right, but okay, works now. And we get the thing. So let me show you what we have here. So I'm using the lowercase here because I'm gonna, I think it's right. And we're gonna have the first half and the second half. So let's do separate index here. So we're gonna do length letters divided by half. Quite simple. We have positive and negative. So let's see letters after separate index. Wow, I did not notice that at all. And we get the positive, and now we're gonna do letters of negative. That means we're gonna use that separate index as well. So if you don't trust me here, just print it out, and if you get that thing, so it stop at N. Okay. Better that I look it up. So just, okay, we gotta have it. So we get the first half and the second half of the alphabet. And now let's go. We're gonna have an empty list here. So my method is here. I'm gonna append a positive one if it's in the positive, and I'm gonna append a negative one if it's in the negative, and I'm gonna sum that. If it's more than 0, I'm gonna return true. Basically the same thing. So we gotta run out of time now. Let's hurry it up. Car in string dot lower let's split. So in this case, it's gonna split into a bunch of things. We're gonna have an empty space in our list here because one of they might have more than one space in there. So we have to check if car is already got in this space, and that's cool. And now we can just append our if else here. So I'm gonna just use a short statement here. If one, if car 0 in positive, and else okay 1. So actually we don't need a negative here, but just be practical. Let's do that. So we're gonna return sum of n is, so if more than 1, it's gonna return true. We're gonna pass them. Let's run that. Damn, we passed. It's 549 milliseconds. That wasn't too bad. I'll take it. So any comments? Any comments? We'll always welcome. Any suggestions are always welcome as well. If I speak too fast, let me know. If you guys enjoy watching this, the subscribe button will be really appreciate so much and make me have inspiration and motivation to do this video. Thank you for watching.